After speaking of dhatus, the 7 different layers of tissues that make up our body, we are now going to go to the next concept, which is Srotamsi. And Srotamsi means channel, right? Channel are kind of like a whole system of channels. Again, that is the difference of Ayurvedic anatomy versus Western anatomy. If we have a problem, also Ayurveda is a preventative science. If we have a problem, say, generally with the liver, Western medicine is going to look at, all right, okay, we're just going to look at the liver because that's where the problem is. Whereas if we have a problem with the liver in Ayurveda, we will be looking at the different shrotas, the different channels, to find out where the problem is, because the liver is a part of different channels, like our anavahasrotas, which is our food management system, and also rasavahasrotas, which is managing the blood plasma. And remember rasa dhatu, the red blood cells in the dhatus we just covered, the second layer. So now that's a whole channel system. It's not just a tissue, it's a whole system of channels in which the liver is involved as well. So you might find that the same organ is involved in many different systems of the body, which again, looking at it that way, therefore means that a root cause, we have a symptom in a certain section of our body or a certain organ, but the root cause may trace back into different channel systems. And looking at it that way will help us to really get crystal clear and narrow right down where the root cause can come from, and or where else an imbalance may strike an impact, and therefore what we need to treat and take into consideration when coming up with treatment, which is not just where we find the symptom, but where's the root cause. So let's look at the Srotamsis. We have Anavahasrotas. Again, Srotas is it's kind of the singular form of Srotamsi. It's not quite right. It's a different Sanskrit form of Srotamsi, Srotas. That's right, Srotamsi is channels and Srotas is the channel. So Anavahasrotas is the food management channel. And Pranavahasrotas is our respiratory channel. Right, prana is life force, so the channel that carries life force. Ambu Vahasrotas is the food management or food carrying channel. Rasa Vahasrotas is the channel of our blood plasma. Rakta Vahasrotas is our lymph carrying channel or lymph managing channel. Mamsa Vahasrotas, do you recognize the same words as what we just went through in the dhatus and the tissues? It is again because each dhatu, each tissue layer has their own Srotamsi or managing channel, right? So Mamsa Vahasrotas is muscle managing channel, Vaha managing or governing, and Srotas channel, and then Mamsa is, in this case, muscle. Meda Vahasrotas is our adipose tissue or our fat management channel. Asti Vahasrotas is our bone management channel. Maja Vahasrotas is our nervous system managing channel. Shukra or Atava Vahasrotas, again male or female, is our reproductive management channel. Stanya Vahasrotas is our breastfeeding channel, right? For breast milk. Purisha Vahasrotas is our elimination channel for feces. Mutra Vahasrotas is our urination channel, and Sveda Vahasrotas is our sweat management channel. So in Ayurveda, we also divide the different ways of malas or waste products of the body. Mano Vahasrotas is the mind managing channel. So these are the different Srotamsi or channels that make up our whole body and being according to Ayurveda. Again, to give you a little bit more of a background idea of our approach to life, well-being, and being a radiant self.